Hey, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I'm going to answer this question. How do I add the providing services feature to the bottom of my LinkedIn profile top card? This right here. I'm going to show you how to do it, but before I do, hit that subscribe and that notify button because I create all of this content for you. So I'm on Megan's computer and she's given me permission to record this on her computer using her LinkedIn profile. And you can see she does not have the providing services, but it's really pretty easy. It's right here. Click on open to providing services. Now it's that easy to put it there, but let me show you a few of the steps to set it up. Click on it. Tell us about your services, get found, let potential clients reach out to you for free. So I'm going to hit continue. Now, it wants me to add services. So I'm going to add her services, say photography, event, commercial, let's do photography again, let's do headshot, let's do photography again, and do sports, and let's do photography again, commercial, let's do photography again, and do event, and wedding. So I've got 5 services I've added. You can interesting if you can have 10. You want to make sure that they're as closely aligned to the services that you do so that the right people see the right services and then they contact you. So I'm going to add 5, but again, I could add 5 more. I'm going to hit done. Now you have to add up to 500 characters of your story where you tell your target audience what you do in context of these services. Let me put something in here real quick. So I'm going to stop with right there. Again, you want to try to get to 500, but you want to be very purposeful about focusing your message on your target audience. And then choose your work location. Megan has advanced because she has a city. I recommend she put a region in there. If you're able to work remotely, do that, but photographers probably can't. Allow client members that are not connected with you to message you. You can leave that on or leave it off if you want to. Or leave it on if you want a bigger reach. And then who can see the services? Anyone, because your profile is open up to anyone. And then just hit next and then hit publish. Again, I can go start a post. I'm saying no thank you. And now if I hit refresh, I had to hit refresh for this to show up. The first time it didn't show up. And there it is right there. I can hit see all details. Another interesting thing about services pages is down here I can add up to 8 images, or actually it says media formats. What are those? Image, video. Whoa, I can put a video and I add a link to relevant content. That's pretty cool. And then as well as I can have up to 20 reviews on my services page. Now, I don't know if that caps at 20 or is that 20 a year? I don't know right now. They call them credits. Credits sort of indicates you can get more. So at the very least, I would use them as much as you can use them. Be very purposeful, sort of like asking for a LinkedIn recommendation. Tell the client what kind of review you would like them to write for you, and if they can support what you ask for, then maybe they'll do it. And from my computer, I go to Megan's profile right here. Let me GAN. There she is right there. Go to Megan's profile, hit view profile. Oh, look, she has the providing services. Go back and search. See, it says providing services. So not only can I go to her profile, can I view her full profile? Can I go follow her, turn the bell on from here, read her last post, which is a year ago. But I can also go to her providing services page right here. Boom. It goes to her profile, and then there's the providing services right here. And I can see, her services. I can see her statement here, and if she had reviews, I can see the reviews as well. Let me see under more, post it, send a message, report. So yeah, interesting. It's a very worthwhile understanding how to use this and using it. Again, it's another space on LinkedIn to showcase your services. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.